Hello, good morning, my dear boys of class 4. This is Rabuni Mujumdar, your English second paper instructor on behalf of St. Gregory's High School and College. Boys, I hope all of you are fit and fine at your home, and I am also fine. Today, I am going to take your class on material noun, and it is very interesting because boys, all of you are from diamond and pearl sections, and you will be glad to know that these two kinds of metals like diamond and pearl are included in material nouns. Okay, so today's topic will be very enjoyable to you, I hope. That's why you have to take your CW copy and write each and everything in your CW copy that I am going to tell you. Okay, so here is written material noun. So what is called material noun? Material nouns are names given to the raw elements or objects which exist in nature or created by human using raw materials. That means material noun can be found in nature or it can be created by human being using raw materials. Boys, another name of material is element. With element we make lots of things, isn't it? So that is material nouns, and you have to give a name to a material and then it will become a material noun. Boys, actually for becoming a noun there should be a name. Okay, when we give a general name to a thing or person, that is a common noun. When we give a special name, that is a proper noun. When we give a name to a quality, condition or an state or an action, that is an abstract noun. Okay, when we give a name to a group or a collection, that is a collective noun. So when we give a name to a material, that is a material noun. You have to remember this. Okay, so material nouns are uncountable and found in concrete form. So you can't count the material noun, you can have weight them. Okay, so there are some examples. Here is written abstract noun, and you know that we can't see, taste, touch, smell or hear the abstract noun, but we can see, taste, touch, smell and hear the material nouns. Okay, so that is the difference between the abstract noun and the material noun. So we can't feel the abstract noun with our five senses, but we can feel the material noun with our five senses. Okay, so here I am going to show you some sources of material nouns. Okay, they are the primary source of raw materials, that means material nouns. So we can have material nouns from nature and also from animals or from plants. Okay, here I have categorized examples of material nouns. Okay, so you will write only those examples that I am going to tell you. Okay, first of all, here is written material nouns from animals. So we are going to write it down in our CW copy. Okay, first of all there is written honey, then egg, meat, milk, silk, leather, wool, etc. So you have to write each and everything in your CW copy. And then there is written material nouns from plants. So there is written coffee, cotton, food, oil, wood, jute, medicine, tea, rubber, perfume, etc. So these are from plants and these are also called material nouns. Then material nouns from nature: air, water, gold, silver, iron, copper, sand, coal, rock, sunlight, rain, earth, salt, etc. So boys, these materials are from nature and these are also called material nouns. Then man-made material nouns. So you need not write all of these examples. I am going to say what you need to write. Okay, first of all you will write acid, then alcohol, then you will write brick, cement, butter, chalk, ghee, cheese, and last of all you will write cloth, then you will write etc. Okay, so I think these are needed for your class. Okay, so boys, these are the examples of material nouns, and when you will find it in any sentence you will select it as a material noun. Okay, you know that with this material we can make lots of things. Okay, and sometimes there are some material in nature and they are automatically in nature, and sometimes with this natural element we can make some things. Okay, so actually it depends on the materials and depends on the meaning of the sentence. When they are in the sentence, like honey, egg, coffee, cotton, food, air, water, acid, alcohol, brick, you will identify them as a material noun. Okay, then I'm going to show you how to identify these material nouns. First of all, there is written, we run a steel company. So steel is a material. We know that with steel we make lots of things. That's why steel is a material noun. Okay. Then among beverages, I like to drink coffee in the morning. So coffee is a material noun here. Then her hair looks straight in the back and wavy in the front. So here is a material noun. We can't count this hair. Okay. Then she is kneading flour. Flour is a material noun. We can't count the flour. We can have weight them. Okay, when we will go to the market for buying the flour, you can't say that give me 1 flour or 2 flour. You can say that give me 1 kg or 2 kg flour. So that's why that is the material noun. Okay, so flour is the material noun here. Then iron is a hard metal. Iron is a material noun. Okay, with iron we make lots of things. Then the ring is made of gold. Gold is a material noun. With gold we make lots of things. Then this chair is made of wood. We know that from wood we make lots of things. That's why wood is a material noun. Blackboard made of cement. With cement we make lots of things. Then add some more salt to the dish to make it tastier. So salt is a material with whom we make lots of things. Okay, then I like your silver ring. In front of it even my gold ring looks plain. So silver and gold are the materials with what we make lots of things. That's why they are the material nouns. So boys, actually the material nouns are the things that with what we make lots of things, and we can't count them. We have to weight them. Weight means ojon kora. Okay, so we can't count the material nouns, but we can have weight them. Okay, now I am going to show you some differences between material noun and common noun. So sometimes material nouns can be common noun if there is an article before it or if you can count it. So sometimes material noun can be common noun if there is an article and if you can count it. Basically, we know that material nouns are not countable, but if you can count it, that will become a common noun, not a material noun. Okay, so first example is water is essential for our life. You can see that before water we have not used a glass of or we have not used any word that you can count this water. That's why this water is a material noun. But in example number 2, you can see that give me a glass of water. So here I have told that I need a glass of water, and by this word a glass of, you have come to know that how much of water you need. So you can now count it, the quality or the quantity of the water. That's why that will become a common noun. Okay, so when you can have the idea of counting, that means you can count the material noun, that will be a common noun. Okay, then example number 3, hen lays eggs. Boys, naturally you can have the idea that egg is a common noun, but it is not actually a common noun, because hen lays eggs, you can't say how many eggs will lay a hen in its lifetime. That means a hen can lay lots of eggs in its lifetime and it is not actually countable. Okay, but if I say I bought a dozen of eggs, that is countable. Okay, so when you can't count the material noun, that will be a material noun, but when you can count it, that will be a common noun. So hen lays eggs, this is uncountable because we actually don't know how many eggs will lay the hen. Okay, that's why that is a material noun. And when I will say I bought a dozen of eggs, now I can count it. That's why that is a common noun. Okay, then number 5, I drink coffee in the morning. So coffee is uncountable here because you can't count this coffee, and that's why that is the material noun. But if I say give me a cup of coffee, now I can count the quantity of this coffee. Okay, that's why that is a common noun. So boys, this is similar and this is applicable for all of the material nouns. If the material noun can be counted, that will be a common noun, and if the material noun cannot be counted, that will be a material noun. Okay, so you have to go for these article, or go for these words like a dozen of, a cup of, a glass of. Okay, so boys, I hope all of you are clear about this material nouns. So material nouns are the things that are included in our nature, or sometimes human can make these material nouns by using the raw materials. Okay, so when we give a name to a material, that becomes a material nouns, and for becoming a noun there should be a name. Okay, so boys, this is all about our material nouns. I hope all of you have enjoyed today's class. Okay, and this is all for today. As you have an assessment today, this is a short class for you, and on Sunday I hope I will start a new topic, and up to Sunday you have to learn all of the topics from noun. Okay boys, thank you very much for watching my class. Thank you everyone for supporting me, and if you face any problem in understanding any topic, you can call me, or you can knock me on Messenger, or you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you boys, see you in my next class.